Welcome home to this wonderful floor plan with a primary bedroom with large bath on the first floor. 2 large bedrooms upstairs with a huge room over the garage that can be used as an office, media room or the extra living space. Kitchen is open to the living room and has a dining room to serve the family and friends. Sunroom with a deck that is also accessible from the primary bedroom. Large in-ground pool with fenced-in backyard for the kids and pets to play. Great neighborhood with water access to some of the best boating NC has to offer.